In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Shopify theme using Shopify Magic AI to create powerful on-brand content effortlessly. Whether you're struggling to write engaging text for your store or you simply want to save time while keeping your messaging consistent and professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the online store section, then click on Themes. Once you're there, look for the theme you're currently using and select the Customize button. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Follow all the steps because this is where all the AI-powered magic happens. Next, inside the theme editor, click on the section where you want to edit text, such as a banner, product description, or homepage section. You'll see several options that help you customize content, and if Shopify Magic AI is available, you'll notice a small magic wand icon. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have your Shopify store updated, your theme supports Shopify Magic, and you already have an idea of the keywords and tone you want to use. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary edits later. Once you click the AI text generation option, enter a few relevant keywords related to your product or message, then choose a tone like professional, friendly, or concise. After that, Shopify Magic AI will instantly generate text for you. You should now be able to review, tweak, and customize the content without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to read through the text carefully and adjust it to perfectly match your brand voice. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your store content authentic and trustworthy. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to edit your Shopify theme with Shopify Magic AI easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want to improve their Shopify store faster. Why not make someone's day easier?